y'all? Welcome back to the Northwest Redneck YouTube channel. And today, I got another video for you. As you know, we do a lot of guns and gear related stuff on the channel, aka tactical stuff. If you want to make all the internet jokes, I got something for you today, though. Today, we are going to be going over my backpack that I carry with me every day, everywhere I go. This isn't my bug out, shit hit the fan scenario bag. I have one of those too. If you want to break down on that, I can give you one of those. But let's get right into it and let me slide my bag over here, or have my assistant do it if he'll help me out. Let me slide my bag on over here.
What do you want?
Just in front of me, or we'll move the camera to where I can slide. We'll just move the camera. This is my 511, well, yeah, that was John. Say hi, John. We keep it unprofessional over here. This is my 511 Tactical Rush 24 backpack. I've been carrying this for about 2 or 3 years now, I think. Anyway, I don't know all the specs on this, so I'm not that guy. Don't worry about the bag of straws, but we'll just start digging into here and see what I got in here. And the first thing that got pulled, I got Allen wrenches. We'll go over why I carry Allen wrenches. I carry these for a multitude of reasons. In case the chair breaks, or sometimes you can even work on cars with these things, primarily for the chair, but I have usually store on cars. I got 2 sets of these. They're both super high vis, which is nice. Let's see. So we'll put those back. We don't need to show any of that off. And then I got my, I think this is my Black Diamond headlamp. I got this at Cabela for, I think, $30-40. Use it when I'm looking under engine bays, or, taking hikes with my friends and the sun's starting to go down or whatever. So, it's always good to have. Now, I have no idea what this is.
Sure. Hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah. This, I'm gonna get shot over this, I swear, with all the coronavirus stuff going on. If somebody knows I had this, so I'll probably end up getting shot over it. Speaking of which, as I'm digging through here, I have found my, whoops. Okay, now we're getting into the good stuff. This is my secondary mag, obviously. 9mm Hornady Critical Defense. I think these are 118 grain. This is the 7-round mag. I run that. And then obviously we have, pull this out real quick. Whoops. And then obviously, I don't know why this is in my backpack. I'm she's been going somewhere where I couldn't on body carry. I don't know, but Smith & Wesson First Gen Shield 9mm. You guys seen that? I have a review on it. Inside the Vetter IWB holster. That's that. I got my Ray-Bans in here. You know, I'm redneck as fuck, but I still gotta be fancy sometimes. Pair of headphones for some random reason. Well, no, I know why these are in here, because before all the shutdown shit, these are my gym headphones. I need to upgrade this a little bit. Oh, and this goes another thing. This goes into something else. I got a flashlight in here too. Probably just blinded the fuck out of you guys. Just get somebody a seizure too. I have a flashlight and a headlamp. You know, the whole 2 is 1, 1 is none, 3 is even better kind of thing. So there's that. I forget what kind of flashlight this is. See, I can find a brand here somewhere. Well, it's a Duracell 360, I guess. That's the only labeling I can find. I like it because it's got the texturing on the handle. We're bezeled in a bunch of, I don't know the right terms. I'm not the best person to do this kind of shit, but I do it anyway. With all the texturing and stuff that's on here, God forbid it came down to it, I can break some windows or something if I have to, stuff like that. And also, this is gonna fit the Oregon stereotype. I don't even know how long it's been in here because I didn't even remember that I carried it until I pulled it out. Umbrella. Carhartt umbrella.
Did Carhartt send you that free as swag?
No, I wish. I think I got it for free because I bought like a $70 winter jacket or something. Now,
Well, that was nice. That was some free stuff.
that's the entire bag. Trying to think if I'm missing anything, which actually I think I am, so I'll be right back. And another little update to my EDC that I took way too long to get because everybody should carry at least some form of medical. I got a little quick essentials portable med kit. It's got a little let me move this around right here. It's got the little carabiner on it too, so I can just clip it to my bag, which is what I've been doing. Here, I'll have my lovely assistant help me out here, there we go. There we go. I'll give you a quick little tour of what's in here. I got some, I'm just gonna do it like this instead of trying to take everything out. So what you might have to help me by doing is holding this up. I don't know how well you guys can see, but I got some sterile pads in here. There's some bandages, some scissors, There's a pair of tweezers in here too. If I can, I'm gonna don't.
Hold still.
Don't.
Hold still.
Don't.
Hold still.
Oh God.
Hold still. Got it.
If I can, I'm gonna try to replace those with some metal ones because God forbid if I ever have to use this on somebody, I don't want to try some plastic tweezers. I got some tape in here. I think it's tape anyway. Yeah, well, it's like tape. And then I got some compression bandages, stuff like that. I didn't get to build this out. It was just something I found that was still usable, so I took full advantage of it. I do like the hard case though, and the way I've been tilting this around is since it's got this little carabine thing, and I have, my tactical backpack. I'm gonna stop doing that because that's stupid shit. It was funny the first time, but I've just been clipping it like this. So, open your, damn, my fingers are not wanting to work for me today. You want to open it so I can clip this on here because I've been meaning to do that. So yeah, just open your little carabiner and.
What do you want? Inside?
No, just clip it wherever we can.
There you go.
And now, this, I'll give you guys one more shot of it after I zip everything back up. Asshole.
You want me to show up?
No.
Okay. Maybe call me an asshole.
You know I'm joking.
Take it back. Take it back.
No, I take back nothing I said. And the worst part is I'm not even going to edit any of this out. So, this is the updated EDC bag of me. If you guys want, like, an on-body EDC and how I pass everything around, I can do that. Let me know. Until next time, raise them up, knock them back, raise hell. We'll see you later.